If you're thinking about trying TIRTIR Matcha Skin Toner, here's a real, no-hype take based on what it actually does. This toner is genuinely good for calming, sensitive, irritated, or oily combination skin. The standout ingredient is matcha PDRN, 10,000 parts per million, which helps with soothing and skin repair, paired with a 7-CICA complex that targets redness and inflammation. It also includes aqua mint, giving a light, refreshing feel without being harsh, and a balanced pH 6.0 formula that supports the skin barrier instead of disrupting it. When you apply it, it feels very lightweight and watery, absorbs quickly, and doesn't leave any sticky layer, which makes it perfect for layering, especially if you like the 7-skin method. In terms of benefits, most people notice instant calming, reduced redness, and a boost of hydration, though it's more of a supportive product rather than a treatment for acne or deep dryness. Usage is simple. Apply it after cleansing with your hands or a cotton pad, and you can layer it 2 to 3 times if your skin needs extra hydration, then follow with serum and moisturizer. The only downside is that if you have very dry skin, it might not be enough on its own, and the price is a bit higher than basic toners. Overall, it's a solid everyday toner if your goal is calm, balanced, and refreshed skin without heaviness.